I made a mistake. But wait, how did that disappear so perfectly? This eraser just wiped it clean like magic. How it's actually made?
It's not magic at all. Erasers are made from soft rubber, tiny plastic pieces, and special ingredients that work together to gently lift pencil marks off the paper. All the ingredients go into a giant mixer where they spin and blend together slowly, turning into a thick, smooth, dough-like material that will become an eraser. Now comes the most colorful part. Bright pigments like pink, blue, and white are added, swirling beautifully and mixing together to create the vibrant erasers we use every day. After mixing, the material becomes super soft and stretchy, just like clay. It feels smooth, bouncy, and perfect for shaping into the erasers we use every day. Next, the soft dough is passed through heavy rollers that press it flat, turning it into smooth sheets with perfect thickness, ready for shaping into erasers. Now the flat sheets move forward and get cut into small, equal pieces using sharp blades, creating the basic eraser shapes with clean edges and perfect size. Then these pieces go through shaping machines, where their edges are smoothed and refined, turning them into neat, uniform erasers with the perfect size and shape. Next, the eraser blocks are heated inside special machines. This process makes them stronger and more durable, so they don't break easily when we use them. After heating, the erasers are cooled down quickly using air. This helps them set properly, keeping their shape perfect and making them ready for the final finishing steps. Next, the erasers go through a finishing process. Rotating brushes gently smooth their surfaces and edges, making them clean, soft, and perfectly ready to use. Then, each eraser gets its name printed on top. The machine presses gently, creating clear letters and giving every eraser a neat and finished look. Every eraser is tested to make sure it works perfectly, removing pencil marks without tearing the paper. It leaves the surface clean and smooth. Then, colorful erasers are made in different styles, including dual colors like pink and blue. These look fun and are loved by kids everywhere. Next, erasers are made in fun shapes like stars, fruits, and cute animals. These colorful designs make them exciting and loved by kids everywhere. Then, every eraser goes through a final quality check. Workers make sure the size, shape, and smoothness are perfect before they are packed and sent out. Each eraser is wrapped in a clean cover, keeping it safe and fresh before it reaches customers.
Then, the wrapped erasers are packed into boxes in neat rows. Everything is arranged carefully so they can be safely delivered to shops.
Then, the packed erasers are loaded onto trucks and sent to shops. This is how they travel from the factory all the way to us. Finally, the eraser reaches us, and just like magic, it helps fix our mistakes, making our work clean, neat, and perfect again.